Badwam senior ewo Adom TV. Nyankopon ye Adom a ochinechi eye gyanom nyina da na ududu nkwa wono fia. Okofrobo obinua ko otoso miensa eye dunkwa ohene. Nana sede me ba dunkwa wuso mi mu ofutuo no watenetene no opanyi onkwaso nana gyanom da sonko enko ema. Abusia bre no aso se me kai wo se Nyankopon ye Adom anwumre 9 pm ye strange world no. Na me se kai wo se Nyankopon ye Adom gyanom da no nti no. Enne ye car park ha ye frase agyanom a wonom rene contest no on baba no aduane Nyankopon ya adom china so 10 am na for to aso na the grand one no ye bra Jerry Justice ene nana sample for J omo competition e very tough enti no so ye de ho nsem nyina no ebebro ewo Adom TV so na afi Adom 106.3 ebusia ye kwatema no ma hene kwa bana sante atenase na bo hwese de meme wan de behu niema ba ko mienu bi se de adesuafo no wo mu ahyehye o mo Friday out na wo mu di asante mi so mo di o mo bo se o mo hia ye pa nti oman wada amasomu e na mo nto ase wo eyetema
ebia wo bia no ma chia na me da pisu se onso waso ma one unuanom na modi ya bedusa Mpensenpensemu said yes ya catch on so 4 Super Fridays no every Friday what we are doing is yebeko emiamia hodo have a conversation with any people we interact with opinion leaders now you find a solution to a major problem e was be aye kono so ma minyina aye team nyina na mu na me ma o achi na me mo akwaba embra Newtown baby eti potin idie dache hene na ekire me kasa nti anocho aba one tell mane mo hwetie nyina no se mfomso ba dache hene aha eye plenjo chwenshi wow oba onsem se wo hwe motives na ontimi ka wenche me eti me no na ebetena ne kwasinsia and the team is led by Yenya Pain ono na edaya no ably supported by Yenya Pain dache Yenya Pain Sami Okuto. We are grateful, Sami Okuto, and the entire technical team. And now, Sheminia Solution, who say the Neno, the BCBC, Dominic Sieboa, Anna Fay makeup artist here, Oba from Kokra. What's your friend say?
Stella.
Hey, say when you are breaking on the pepe. Oh, wow.
Okay, that's how you know the
It's the idea of Stella, so I'm saying, Newtown, Plenjo Chwenshina, Yeti, come on, hey, baby. Ubenya kwanya so team ni edi na watwe I see me akwasi insiane ni team on Badwam. They've been specific with certain challenges about this particular community. And what we have done is you're getting closer to the community. Na ya assess the situation no na hwe kwan ebe fa so asa how na ho nyina na time free oprekope e dia mai so hwe machi nso a na wo say e dache hene suku a wabete wa ha nkwada no mo ye pi kama ono tenetene ono apo mu hwese de nyama esibeko ye ne wotena kopem se nonkono ebebo apemu eti 9:30 pepepe na ye da wa hwe wa uti ene kruma adehye papa bi Newtown for I share plenjo chwenshi anum ye de nyina ho aseda fe ye bukamu akọ se de dare de nyina ye no menu akwasinsia enso e wa anum se akwasi mama wache
Major Soman.
me just say bia kama
Adom
and then they will train the dia bedu hanum say that's how powerful akwasinsia akwasi ene ebedin koma ohia yie pa but twamfonyini kakra kire die wabehu ne die wabeti nti ene wagye di sese ba na ebe zantokwa no
okay mse yema ahwefo enyina achi ebiem Solomon hene kwabana sante aka no fiti na no juada ena yedi nkomo ede afa tema Newtown eho ekomode ni nyina kokogina oil refinery ba kwa yesi ewo oman Ghana emu ye China ni ena ACF and Central Oil Refinery na ewo tema Newtown na ewo no amanfo ete empotemwa ena de esu ene agyaadwo abetu yaboboa no se baabi a oil refinery no ewo no eye hubo kase edema wo mo ne sounti so trase eye hwehama mpanifo wie no osase o de oil refinery no eye adwuma ensunsuanso ebetimi anya a wasetenem wa brabom no enya asem kuma Oman one hour some can be a woman efasa establishment when you know. You no more Eddie Kobo. A bishop join here. I'm your question to no more Eddie Kobo. Sent you oil refine Akasan pen for no more Asia. Environmental Protection Agency in pen for sessions animal when you know eso. They da refine no ebeye. Or how I bet media bread amount 14% no more Eddie Kobo. Afe edumeku abanya pound so was one share my see oil refine say yam. Enya nasa bibia ntimi kɔtɔɔten National Petroleum Authority mpɛnfoɔ so yɛnom so adi nkɔmmɔ afe wɔn tema zoning development ɛhyɛ ɔmo nsa yɛ from TDC tema development corporation so yɛnom so akasa deɛ aka biam ɛyɛ tema metropolitan assembly ɛsa so ɔmo ɛna kuronimu no nyinaa na ɔman wohwɛ aban hyɛ mu a ɛhyɛ ɔmo ɛnsa kyɛ sɛ ɔmo ne mampani nana adoda nkɔkufa no anam sini ewo tema kroje emu so ne panipa ba ko no so etua ekura no emeyo na kasam so ba ye ne bedi enkomom na ye ne kromafo efri assembly member ebesi wona ekambia ewom unit committee members kroma adehye wona eben refine na akasa so ediko so enen komode ne nyina efa ba bia yesi Central Oil Refinery no ensunsuanso a amafo a won patam wa kyerem a ewo mo so ene kwanya mpanfo a ehwe temanko puntuo ne nkanko no ebetimi aboa abapoto kasem ye kan se omo ebe mitigate ene ma bi sera bi asunsuanso no bokura enkoye den chance na manfo ebesu no ede afa eno aye ne pani ba ko a ono eba enkronkuma ne apapa dwumede mu a wabi mu ye pa edimu enkomo Dr. Eric Oduosai emodo ne ma me ne to aban enim se one eda say aban be me relocate refinery no ana say ye be relocate amanfo a etetema New Town so these are the two options or no asobi a wabinim de e won kronkuma ne apapa adwumade mu no won so di akira ba na ye ka so na ye executive director de ma internal audit agency
okay
so ne anima me no be so di akira ban either say one ye be relocate oil refinery say atwam as 90% no ana sa amanfo na te amam no free hanom.
Well, basically, it's share a landscape tisuya na oheni pa eni omuhia adwadifo mehu say adwadifo adwadi ankasa key this very area. Enti migidi se san koma ebedi nso no yebebo awura said ya setrem ni dwadi en komo so esika odika yi wasotre so say yewo atitire wo hanoma eni on betina se na yedi nkomo ba fapem no mfonyini nyina na otwakere no se anamontuo bi a ekoso wasa bia hanum se no mpemfo nsusue mu ne o madwene mu no won gidi pa se eye ade a sinto kase pa abamuti no etese ehwe na animanim ya etenetene but the man here then say the needed agencies ne authorities ne opinion leaders no they've been contacted as to why asana montuo no ekoso ne de kaka onyina no san komo no yebedi e wan say yanya ekwa no lots of text messages about talk about this particular project. Akosi say a project utie the EP4 kan ebra 1-2 anamo was that project we no e ade nkita odi akoso their belief is that at every point in time anamo mutu bia no they need a certain requisite a perimeter and I say 2 mikrata bia emo makonya say one betima call the next level as a musane even to that point the point is that if indeed say there a challenge for the community, finding themselves, what can we do or what should be done about it? Because say you better not say nothing. Then so any papa akoba. Now fe near knee-jerk reaction. To prove precopedano or show or harrison, na ye pentemsi ibisia no coin. So definitely. Any power one yam paying for original timemu for name one zeno. They have very good questions to respond to. Because a bibia does a bibi ba nebeti na yanti a passing tema and nona a primco ecoswa a timikofa how casepa at the brain. If you've just joined us, I Adom TV. A Badwam on Adom TV. You remember the extended version today. If you come here, and we are right at New Town. Hana Yedisa, a Yenkomono. Medical culture say a part of your 4 Super Fridays. if you are tembiano, itimiko, edidi, a juma, if you potem, if you bia, if you maudum, and you may coswa, Abiana seem to be or Abiana Basbody be or Abiana Pejemu be on ma, San Common, he didn't know money dimu and money we pay. I could see if you are another brief rabbit, my boy.
Yes, I see, or mine, Sunny Edica, actually, no. A communina 8 yawa. Quanye befasua. Pepe ye betimi aye adwuma asumdue betimi aba na yankoda da bi nkosori se atorenche bi esinesi ye no age yensem eno de Ghana for enhwe no se bisi because o hwe temankasa gas kra a piping ama o hwe ehwobo ya ede ba tema na nyasem kuma yenka ye nyina ho yawo June 3rd asema esiye na ye fam wo ensem ya eno bi koto jato ba bia ni kwa se oto ne amana ye more concern ye se amanfo ete ben refinery no enkwada ewo park ewo ba bia refinery no pipeline eda ya ebetwi gas saa dia connected to West Africa gas pipeline enkwada be dia akro eho dia enhye de begu akwam make sure se sebi breach bi emebo oman because oman nyame pangu enya de bebo ho paye da but esia esabedwie oman Ghana nan so oman sika na sebi akwa atwe na ehun tutu tokro na adeda da ho ayentimi nya bebre kura ensom no enu ebi de besa akofa de aba ba siesie so yes ye oman ya ye pe empuntuo ye oman ya ye prese enkanko enwuma beba ye manmu so bipa no bebie adwuma ye worth over $2 billion edema omanya so hwem kra kwabena refrain akasa wo ye adwuma akasa be ye kresi nchen ye enyu be sa kreti won nchen no enya adeketwa enfasodi be sa twe ede ama oman Ghana enya adeketwa no be se betimi kra aboa amene se ampapa by 2024 omuch refine be se 5 million tons of crude e chose ma fam wo bo aba fom ye e o ye man se wo hwe enwuma medical ka se ebe create dia amanfo
kuse
arefo fa ncheme enwuma be create dia amanfo won na kita ehya akese a ebe twe fam wo e de akọ won na ebetimi enya enwuma se agent ni ade create mi asa ye bi e wa anu a enya na ketwa ye nyina ni obi o tema bia yo bra na tema oil refinery ja now so ye pa enim how vibrant na tema nkasa etie especially okasa onye bi kra ye adwuma oto a o ma na ye tete koko krachi asemu se onye bi ye adwuma oto na se adwuma kese pa ana nwia no aye no ba so hwe sa mfaso de we nyina na de toto amanfo de consensus ye o mo express ho a kwa be na betimi afaso be situate consensus na amanfo no ewo na yetimi ahwa aboase na be ye a consensus ne adepa na eba omamu no ebetimi agina ye awie peyo ede amaye asoman
well already feel okofa yin akwesi yentimi nro ehie ne muso a ye acknowledge say ye okrura no mo you know so beyond the regional minister ye o mayor no so anim say ye wa assemblyman for so ha ye wa adwadi form paying for so ha ye wo ye nananom so yes enti madaroma mo nyina no monima yesre mu PC e bowura mu hyemu a ye ndikan kra ye obambo nso mpanyimfo nso wa nam se aposifo asem na making ti ye dia seda kese nso beba mu se madaroma yetimi agi efeso a ye deti eye Newtown ahanum se akosi yenya hoho nti ajamakase ne ebegina oso na ya mahoho na kwaba na afia tutu na
ya bro nim kakra bi fa evae ena sna fie fa onhye enkomodi na se emfa enfrogusu ehwe bedwam ewo Adom TV so Mpensenpensemu eni mede na kwasi se amena omahene kwabena asante ena atrase dwumadi ebro live from Tema Newtown wo enkran pompene mantem opani bako de
eja bako se open for 90 no
yada nyamia se what's more kind idea
o se
bako se open for 90
o se bako se de
open for 90 ni 90
o open for 90 na what steady open for 90 da go open for 90 na form za o go tiso
abi oye ne bako because me say enyo no kwa ne na
it will bako ni en kakra
yeah that means you careful about
ono ne man nyina
yes okay
there's a bako no So one share na atehwe bi besi.
Problem be
BBC enye wo nko anse be affect you bi nso.
It has 7 what kind.
Yes, obere sa che obvious about kwaba.
Me nchemo so.
We dey just na be ya yenka enti ma yehunu odini position pa odi ewo Tema Newtown.
Okay, me that's before say me kasa no and say aha ye krobia ye wo kroma any krompenyu for. So mami fa kunya we so na minchia the leaders of the Tema Traditional Council led by Ni Ajeti Agbo II, the acting president. I say afimi enseni na yen chief, I mean the paramount chief of Tema, Mr. Corne Krechi, but esan say obi ni ho obi wo hunti the man Kralo is the current acting president on any impinyu for nyina. Afin so osha ahanum eye Tema Traditional Council jurisdiction, but amamre council no you will be a friend akwashonche. Or no, am my kwan say na ye use Tema jurisdictions ayin to mean you so. Into my fa kunya we so na minchia akwashon cha face so minchia me honorable member of parliament, Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamte, minchia me mayor, the mayor of Tema, Honorable Yohani Ama Ashiti, and I think so by electoral area Hanuma, the assembly member for the electoral area, Honorable Agabi, Ajeti Agabi, mami fa kunya we so na minchia make us me home PRO for the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Asante. And also Michiano and Anope. Me did the Henry Oko Oninku, but Ubaha do not friend me future MP. It's say me war initiative who say 8 years and not from now. No, I should be able to represent the Tema East constituency in Parliament. I can also say Akwala Unia or better car no.
Oh no, I
see. So OGDA say
I mean when it does so say. Probably some few years to come, I represent the Tema East constituency in Parliament.
It will declare intent, you know.
Yeah.
Say Adom. Okay, I see.
And see, I mean, say me Tema Traditional Council events planning and organizing. Me a secretary of Adom. I face over this electoral area. Me a unit committee member. Hanum. I face so. Oba NDC afemoni political party afemi so I'm a deputy constituency communications officer.
Okay.
Edima NDC na afemi so me a national youth parliament. Edima Tema East constituency. I'm say kakra America. Oba youth groups what Tema hanyina so we have Proud Gadangme youth. Me a deputy communications officer. Me eba Tema youth leadership movement. Some of many of the youth
okay. Anyway. It's what kwaye penny pa ja woda emebunano ya yom kasama for Mpensenpensemu. Yemisa Tema East Mpensenpensemu etisei Mpuntuo etisei waha.
Yo debiano yetaka say ye kase Tema for Tema in general. Normally we are ye Tema improve say be a Tema Tema Newtown pe, but we have up to community 25. Then falls under the jurisdiction of the Tema Traditional Council. Inti me kase adiabo akwa minim say unemployment has become canker, the whole, even the world at large. But Ushesenia Tema, Yemboa governments, there has been successive government. From 1959, we were located from our old time to Newtown, about 60-something years now, with the mindset, say, the then government, led by Osajofo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, who said, Tema, aye baby, looking at Senia Harbor, any Senia, Yensi Nitiano, construction of harbor possible. So because of that, in the year 1959, our people were relocated from Old Town, that is Tema Community 1 and its environs, to New Town. And they paved the way for the establishment of the Tema Ports and Harbors Authority, motorway and other firms. We expected, say, we being the indigenes, we expected in fact, we should be first people to be considered. We all know, say, Tema Harbor expansion, the agreement needs it is actually not a property owning and a property generating firm. Until leaders now, they gave the land. Willingly say it is actually coming to benefit Ghana at large. Say, look at the amount of money we rake at Ghana Ports and Harbors Authority. Look at the companies surrounding Tema. It is heartbreaking. Say, if you go to some of these companies, we don't have indigents serving in this particular company. Sometimes when it comes to opportunity, job opportunities, we are not being tribalistic. But Sebiu, Mikramichins, Wahanum, now they could didi. Him say, Udidi, definitely be Johnny. So that is why I'm also giving you my utensil. But I say, Ebano, Ejuma, Fema, we are not being treated fairly. recently, the youth of Tema, we took it upon ourselves that we are going on a demonstration because look at the companies surrounding us. Okay, I say the qualification.
So before I bet to us one, I think we should look at it from this angle. I'm careful. Maybe I best psyche. Baby, I come from our region, and I have Newmont there. The fact is, Newmont also does not mean that. As I say, Chinchina half for. You know, again, the fact is, Newmont to have no just say, as almost ignore and almost neglect it. It's a 50-50 thing. Right. But the question has always been, say, we have the natural resource. In this case, we have the industries all around.
Right.
Do we have the human resource?
Capacity,
because in Pendo Duanano, once a human waha, human train, human train, human be near Yebecombe, after the British BMA was a Monfa this year, Nankasambra, to occupy certain relevant positions and so on. So, whilst we talk like this, it should go along with making a conscious effort to build the human resource base. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
That's where you can sit and say, about A, B, C, D. We have all the men available. It is someone for the 100 krana, emu 30 there, and emu 20 there, you know, and then normally it's about how we relate to the owners of such industries and companies, the kind of negotiations we enter into. It really doesn't favor where these major companies find itself. So, and demonstration and a solution to a how down. But the crapana say, Ubia opesa or Kokumbiano, and so Boabo.
Sure.
Abuabua Nimini say, and Krata and the sign you were sign. Edipa this year, Yewojidi or Muse, almost self fatasa, almost Dibre and Aquenya, Jumo Samiano, a quine ben a year more Montitia, additional film, and other factors. Right. Ebitimi Amasa, Adia, what would the channel, Etimi, Dimam, and every pay. Yes, Adia, most of the time we will be deceived by the fact that I come from a half. I'm not qualified to be at the Newmont, whatever of Newmont. But it's also Chinchina.
By your mind, yes, we share a month for a Wahanua. Any Numa, a chum, why she or more the qualification, or moment me rasa, a human and I am formal or more apply. Now, more Catanso as in penny for one, and I'm 2 minutes at their found.
Ejameda say ban qualification there enra I was at the traditional council and I think say sent to us my bekin and we be employment and I think say the letter normally by traditional council they say they want at least 30 or 35% of employers normally Juma was sent to and they want them to be an indigene. So I think for about 2 weeks now they brought the letter. We have started compiling list of those that we think they are qualified. In fact, yesterday to my surprise I counted so many indigenes that when we talk of the qualification they have it. In fact, I was shocked that I counted about 23 people who have done petrochemicals. It means that the qualification is there.
Yeah.
So they, like Omahini said, sir, we should dwell more on the advertisement aspect.
Because
share the advertisement aspect because say Vaku the abase mechanical engineering and our engineers 10. Now say not ye specific. We would also take it across, we spread it across, and we would definitely have some for to make us a qualification that you will be pa seb you say any qualification crana because the firms na nye baby na
exactly. We
have cleaners, we have loaders. If you are using the yardstick, say okay, money qualification, it's in to mean jimu seb you other ones no loaders. You won't tell me say will be obey load here. Just any master's degree. Won't you mean catch up so will be obey a be a cleaner not supervising this any master's degree. I can say seb you a ban qualification now you will be. I think it's a ban factory hand, so you will be. You see, we have young people who are make us a thing. And then mobile hey some more share coin with so be a streamer bag bonechi bag bon or copy or coejuma akopi bibi. The notion is we don't have the qualification. I say, "Be in school, no." Sadia no yasisa. Oshe yen current member of parliament. He's an indigene. Oko school power. Sanso one crop. Oshe yen mayor. Honorable Yohane Amashi. Ono so sa. Inti just say, "Uban indigenes now. We are preparing ourselves. We have prepared ourselves for the future task ahead."
Okay, so we cannot enter here without treating a little bit of our
right.
Yeah.
I feel will be a privilege now. OT Newtown, comma. So how is the political climate? That is what I say.
I had the make say from 92. Me 91 into 92. They not mean but but kakra I had opportunity to really say historically, you know, this place has always been with the Elephant family, the NPP. Okay. I think it was only 92. Say history proves say initially parliamentary elections before say presidential. And parliamentary 92, no, the NDC had somebody by name Honorable Ajay Anang. Honorable Ajay Anang. After parliamentary elections, no, we all know say. After presidential elections, we all know say the then leader of the NPP, Professor Udubuahin, boycotted all the parliamentary elections. So that is when the NDC had opportunity to get somebody to represent us in parliament. 94, we had 96, we had Honorable Ishmael Ashite. He took over. After Ishmael Ashite, Honorable Ishmael Ashite of blessed memory, we had Honorable Samuel Evans Ashona from the NPP fraternity. He also took over. After Honorable Samuel Evans Ashona, we have Honorable Daniel Kwate Glover. He also took over for 8 years. That is 2020. 2012, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin as the mayor of Tema. And everybody can attest to the fact in the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, any Tema East constituency say, Obuijuma pa any day ming tinahan dada ming kasa because say me NDC ni but MPP for cry to me who say Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin ubano every sector of the economy, education or you're in the best, health or you're in the best, infrastructure, in fact every aspect crowd born home body. Into 2020 elections, no, the NDC in the Tema East constituency eka say as a mayor which me born home body say and then I just say yan fan primaries. Into 2019, Yeni Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin echo primaries and money we need primaries 2020. For the first time in the history of the NDC in the Tema East constituency, Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin defeated Honorable Daniel Kwate Titus Glover with not just but with the vote margin of close to 10,000. Into the dynamics in Tema East constituency as far as NDC MPP is concerned here. Because the NDC is in a comfortable lead, they will be in a comfortable lead to 2020.
I see.
So I will not share any.
In a comfortable lead.
I mean comfortable.
So anyway, so what are some of the impacts ever since move free being a mayor
as MP
and then now being an MP?
Yeah, one thing is we all know say as a member of parliament, you know, your duty as a legislator is to make laws. But we share the Ghanaian perspective. And say, "Obi a MP,
all the responsibilities.
Schools, but me as a deputy communication officer and also spokesperson in the office of the MP, no make us say there has been so many developmental projects. Me know hey, back to school projects. Yenim say kwalani bi honoma. This is not to go to school. I mean skilled training. Me know say we shared about 60 sewing machines to young ladies and young guys who want to do more of technical and vocation. We have about 24 people who are doing forklift operation. Our Ghana Post and Harbors Authority. Urban security aspect. Initially, now we call Loop Oil. We weren't having anything like police station, but during his tenure as MCE, we had police post, and then Minuka say it has been upgraded to a police station. Oba Tema Newtown Hanuma, we don't have initially now police station, any fire depot was our problem. We have one here. Another section be a Honum Bankuma. Minuka say another project of that sort is going on. Intimeka say Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin as a member of parliament. No, why you not famous?
So how has the member of parliament related to our mayor? What's been the relationship?
Say mayor Hano Minka Win Chantro. Honorable Isaac Ashai Odamtin, any Honorable Yohane Amashitino, they are relatives. Aside from a political affiliation, they are thinking about Tema Metropolitan Assembly and the Tema East constituency. I have met them severally on occasions. Sometimes the way Omuti or no for a green crown and no crown, say they are really thinking about the people of Tema. Minuka say wherever they meet, meaning say other communities, other district assemblies, any other. They Omunshia because they are from different political parties. But anytime I'll be Honorable Yohani Amashite, let him shine again. Any Honorable Isaac Ashaw Damte, Omunkita Hudi, any senior put things in place. It is very, very beautiful.
Okay. Mayor, happy Father's Day in advance. Akwaba, so maybe I will call. You look very good, very fresh.
Okay, to my answer, Mayor Ebert was Yankai. Yeah, my many and more Abba and Chen Wahano say, Mayor Yabet Nancy and Comona Ashasiano. Eti mbetimi atras na questions na mo mo abisa ama mayor etimi ni nyina no e de ama mo enne munti e no wa ha ade bie fa se e mema mo mpuntuo awie peyo mayor e wa ha se obehwe amena awie peyo e de ama mo nyina etu atras ne patwo nya so betimi atras na e brede so a ye de microphone na ma no bia question mi obia no watimi abisa
mayor so akwaba
me da say
afishapa Father's Day there. I hope say you're a good father.
Oh, I am. There were 3 strong boys in team.
Oh, wow. So directly opposite me was 3 strong girls.
Wow.
And I'm supposed 3 strong boys.
I see. So how have you been mayoring the town? I almost have to say,
oh, my main opportunity na me share I have for more mobile TV so and pay. Manamiti menu keto ono so makadna we chi ho no ne ma me ne anti sina ne ma me o ana na yeton nam ho nti
oh
say no da ha no ma ye kro keto e bi ye relatives oka MP no my uncle kind of step uncle nti we are all one people in terms of so far Tama East as a whole I have a very stable. And children any issue be any in summer a papa yemo eba. And the BBA Biano, Yakambo, MPP, NDCO, all of us, one people. And I share the way they are, a kumha, a beconin. Put you share and no Diana, ye boom, a Mpensenpensemu, I bet how I bet Massa, the kumha, now Bibia, Akoso, no.
So as a mayor, what are some of the challenges that you're faced with? Say, I wish I can clear this issue of you. I wish I can appear with in Chelsea. I wish I can meet me anyway. What are some of the challenges in your stride working for a year Tema East? You know, what are some of the challenges that pop up, Eba?
Well, new man say, issues in there, you will be brave. Now, there were a lot of plans and ideas positively in terms of development. But normally, on funds. Now, mobilize a lot of things. I want to ensure they need to be a community center. One center, a world library, everything. Senator, be a Okumbiano, not Obia Hana, it's not meant for a community center. I hire more for outdoor traditional issues. And see, one big thing, as I said, if I say you see modern community center, our library room, the whole town in programs, welcome hanging no baby I share no about and I one thing, but deep sabon say the way I near my cost globally. I work on a modern say, I was scanting my into me and Pia. And you know, there are a lot of things I have planning.
What somebody pay attention to education and then the management of waste. Pay attention to that.
Yes. Maybe I'm barely about 2 years now since I'm taking you over. 2, I think, some few months. Now, one thing, first, I have those days. School no more morning, any afternoon, shift system. Yeah. But one thing I may buy a PI to me ending a shift system. Your project be I start here in year. Maybe I also predecessors I start here, maybe so. I may be my end day shift system no our Presby school. Now yen we were also one say Tamahano your competition be a nationwide competition for national science and math quiz. Now normally schools no quite. I am now want to make home. But one gap who and say, I want to be a lot of preparation. Until me be my friend of Tema Metro Science and Math Quiz.
Okay.
For all the secondary schools in Tema. So I be prepare more adequately. Now, by the grace of God, no, Chem Secondary School, omutumi call semi-finals. Just one step to the finals. Now, you say, this year, so your second edition, no, it is after no, so omutumi all the way to the finals in any other schools. Now, a lot of things are also. Yeah, well, I did friend of daycare centers assembly and managing. Now, we just structure and the way the structure and the no, only just 2 units classroom, both kitchen and away. You see 3 additional classrooms at these 3 daycare centers. You start here in New Year. Now, you say, if you know, and I create early education units, now, Manqualano, nice structure, now, I playgrounds in Yama, now, Colano, more corner mobile, now, you for quite a long time. Now, I have also now to be mock examinations for basic schools. But by the grace of God, no, last year, free for both public and private schools in Tama here, mock. This year is also a best year. Now you try. So now schools also have one problem. One problem is security no share and go into bones. Schools now money a lot of things. So now you have computers. Make us say all basic schools in Tama here, you provide adequate security both morning and evening. So
before that, there is a man for to Kobo.
Yes, those is not some few issues with area computers and some few air courses within the basic schools. But make us say, because of security, both day and night, I'm security no in the schools. No, I go for almost year. More assuming edition dear, and my baby a course of comment. When I sometimes I hear,
because there's a perception. I don't know how real it is. They will say, you know. The Michono. That's that perception. Because who guys are over New Tower, that perception. How are you wiping clean the slate of that perception? That New Town is so hospitable, Alba. You know, there's nothing to worry about because it's an opportunity to also shoot it up because that perception is also there.
Well, perception, but from where I sit, I think that it be elections now, course, no, and I think there's some few things of course. Now, honey, it is a perception by, but Hano generally a very peaceful town, loving people, mostly are fisher folks. They mind their own business. One people. We are all family.
Okay, but so but normally me say me didn't come on crying. What minimum OBE can say? Any questions here can say? Most of these assemblies, no, IGF, and I support to their buying but most of us mayors near DCs near MCs no. They don't really get out to innovate and create, as in spaces to make money for the assembly to do other projects. It's over-reliance on the central government. Afi IGF no so okra dem say we are lucky because me minimum how am we accurate in terms of getting the returns you need to get from these people. What do you think you are doing outside the normal assembly? Maneuver your way through the system.
All right. Make up 2 things. First one is we share Tamahanoma. Tembia make us say ye any gold, ye any timber, ye any natural apart from maybe a fish and I be a nam. But there are companies no. Na so but make with him we here the support of the companies. And the very first mayor and say me free BB mayor's ball. Mayor's ball.
Okay, fundraising.
More like a fundraising event. Yeah. Me invited all the captains of industries at Watamaha, Alisa Hotel Tama. And like I told them my vision and the fact that Tama is a big place. Now said Tama in Punto no beko the quicker. It was saying more support. Now and we spoke at length. Make us say we and Anchibia and I had a lot of them coming. PFC. About more than 200 dustbins. All the business schools in Tama here. Zenith Bank. So a mobile supporting 1 daycare center, right? To change the whole place and uplift no airco. You knew your son Sonia Luboy, Omaba say, Omoba provided furniture for all the schools here in Tama. Make us an idea because of Moya Munye. And you also your son Sonia tropical cable. Almost for one project, almost up to about 700,000 Ghana cedi. And then the first bit of me buy, I need to get everybody involved, all the companies involved. Send a bit was a Santama. Not me, you was so. Be a friend of software. Also, sometimes, so what the software is our baby. I am not to miss silly. Now, my IGF, TMA, IGF, cost more than previously.
You still to crawl through software.
Exactly. The software bar.
Who develop a cashless society?
I don't know, saying it here.
In more revenue, I'm more general.
Yeah.
All the system be took when we see the bear.
Digitalization.
Exactly.
Digitalization.
So, building permit. Over your website.
Yeah.
Now I log in. Now I apply.
Okay.
Until you can be
online.
Yes, you can be in the comfort of your home.
Okay.
With your laptop, once our requirements, then you could apply. And it goes through the system all the way to the NTL. It's a human interface,
Okay.
Making it a little bit faster. Okay. So I think when there are two main things I made, the fact that I'm involving industrial companies, and second, I may introduce IT technology. Okay. Eddie boost to your IGF. Now, you also so yeah. And so I'm saying sister city relationship be almost US ever. Ningana the area phobia ever. Almost Loudon County. Na yes signing MOU just this week. Na OSHA agreement now there are a lot of things ICT in education in infrastructure, a lot of things allowed in country for. It's the richest county actually in the US.
Oh, okay.
Now we have this agreement with them, IATA. And so where the yeah, to support from many other areas. Now it made the assessment tema positively.
And I see Mayor Eti Oban Oka tema East anyway say, but Mayor Naka Semunes and Eti Komo. Minim so no ahwe na nim tentensu a the man for odi omanim e na atwa ne ho ahie a man for questions at the mouth Mayor o man for questions pa because the meti na chire but questions a man for the man no enya won wase abro papers verse 4 yi yakobo kase ba ko ebedi eye ba bia Century Refinery ewo yenim say as assembly monaso ena esi onjumadi omo edi nyina despite fa say other agencies say wo abanyokom nyina eyo de no musumani twa because munam ne omo etiem bankomo anu oma nyina di nsesie no yanyi few or one or two questions be on na fiembra Century Oil Refinery issues na hunti dache nyine na na ya asante enso ena emanfo ejina pedwan mu a yankode nkotie questions amanfo wo edifa tema development edima mayor na afi yenko Century SSM so dache why ready so na ne manfo no enso akwotwe ne so
kwasi my ready wa ha anti semini okase won say amanfo no na Badwam Mpensenpensemu ha no anti ye beben na ye bisa won questions ahodo a woni wo pese obisa mayor eja bibia boko de boko ye frozen we di na wo pese obisa mayor
the person bisa mayor see also what me provide security ama basic schools ewo temaha na me person me appeal for him that SD school or Bankuma we don't have that security so we will appeal for him to give us to our share
ono appeal obeni bibia boko na udi no okay Moses question ben na wo edima mayor
former mayor no obaye no obeye twa wo ho ba we wie ni ya ba MCA obaye we be wie ni ya the gate ato ano a me de bani ayi dan ehu now onuku ono so me wo ho na me se ma me nkokrom nkwohwe se me papa ana me oye me patama onunku pak kama ama enkwara na omkosua nyama papa bi wo ho nti ama me ni beji papa we hu ba oba so hwe nyama oye wotama krom ya na hu se papa we you share no so year that chimpodi president in park ebeyaman because or when you make pin or into a mama me ba be ma fam no me hu no ma pen asem say tamafo mama yen so no mu ye no wanyama papa ma tamafo me da say
Openi who question person will be Samuel.
Oh, me nyama obaya wa ye na mpesa me so me bo na ba so.
This time around here per questions and a mano no wetumi ya no ntisa who question be manana.
Chama no. Oh, se se me janse mpesa me se chama question. Me be sa no. Pacho chama. Mpesa me so ba kon. Maybe so question Fatama no time market to you. Most inform Bambe dear Nimina no. Omuni script be our market to him. They be ambano compare some movie market case so get be a new. Only new question better Mr. Mark Chama no.
Okay.
Yeah, also maybe some question. Question here then.
But from Anthony Mensah. My question is simple. Yeah, who send go for bebre sit down. Maybe AMA and TMA I bet you remove and I produce permits. Sisi ano ewiase yedin. Se ububu obi ni dan indirect and direct no. What say na ho odin ni sika ene ne mbre. Nti person bi say tamame yo say den criteria no mu use a. Omo hwe say we ni dan say obubu because right from scratches and I said at least no woman nipa notice no who say and say but we try na do window level. Now ba bebu no a indirect no wa ha nipa no. The person who criteria mutamu usua.
Okay.
Yes, I didn't.
Okay, so that's it. You answer now.
May you respond?
May you respond? Obape now if you try one balance in a saboteur. Mayor, I would like the bottom top approach, building without permits, but you make quite many panisi. And then we are saying, "Ebedu baby, na musumo sabi ebibubu." What's the challenge with that?
Well, I mean that Ashafonyina ase and questions I will be said and a bit so I can't send me or Hano. Now, new man say, as an assembly, no, you will be a no bylaws and a law side of an assembly. Now, normally, say, Obi started project or baby, Obu say, task force from a baho. About won't say, bet sure a go, or down, stop work and produce permits. If you say sometimes maybe ana oba ho no onye sure say wa jana say wonje nti ye sure go ho a na ye hwa na say nipa na wo si da no wo ba assembly no na wa kire say permit amenya e wa assembly because bibia wo ye wo bibia wo ofie kra wo ye innovation kra na wo say oje permit wo dua green grass kra na everything bia wo ye I FND control bia so oje permit from assembly untumi enye bibia wo ho a wonya permit nti ye say na e be say hu permit no Nanti yamao America crab, but sometimes yes, Anna, I am almost down. I am not more disregard this directive. No more so etiaso, a coso. Into by next, the best about to be a check on Napano do far, but we have to demolish it because we'll build it without permit. Now, normally by law, you have 21 days. Until say me bahona me say stop work and produce permits. By law. 21 days. After 21 days, one producer, any assembly will rise say. It to me a demolish will most often than not to the warning. Now I throw we go warn. Now I catch will say for permits no ebra. One for people bar after 21 days, no, then by law, no, we have the right to demolish those structures.
We share the question now, Obisa. Assembly Nitanasia Manipani Sidan do Lenten level. A Hona Fe na 20 Erbemo, and only permit ya ye be jury ego. Dear na from Ebra year to foundation, Ebedu that Lenten, assembly no a year a woman and sunny at Chamana could be some pension.
All right, and I make say, I don't say, your task force are a mock around within almost all the metropolis. And there our ha, Ochana, our ha, and there our ha, Ichana ha. Sometimes they be one place, I'll go back maybe 2 weeks time or so because of how big the area is. In two corners, the Nipana started project now. ABA Africa was starting our foundation.
Yeah.
Ubetro, one.
Okay.
Stop work and produce permits.
Yeah.
And so watch over because normally you call no after na digital system no you do hoye. In two corners, I won't just show Nipana or and also only permit. In two trope. Then we are expecting say who sit down no when you humpe na wa assembly no na wa betray na what the permit a ɔwɔ sɛ wosi dan no ɛde ba.
Okay.
But most often than not, ɛyɛ na ɔmo go so tia so build it. Until by the time I say back on back, I check on any part of the fire. But the end of the day, we have no option than to break it up because what part 21 days one my hoy. What's in America? It's about at the beginning.
Yeah.
At the beginning, because we are not sure whether I have the permit or not. No. You have to stop work. Better go on. Say stop work and produce permits.
Does it mean say money number of permits are more issue?
Okay, because we are no, but you could try your home brand. You bape. Se ba so union so born na papa as a something don't know. Ye kwa ba se ba ye try come on so say ye kwa ba.
Security make kind of security hall also because fencing in the whole inti. But sometimes it's difficult to be able to push people away. Now, if you also so you be PV some session already some place at but be PV some session be a ton charcoal no all the way down to be a ton no one. If PV hall na if you so you be more sheds in the market. And no cut down say call all the way to your station hall no you be more sheds ever they try home in AC. Inti me who say there was some roof finish so ever honum. Ninga na idea estimate that to ho. You for some funds. Inti market there me hona ya wo me won te idea adaba kuma so be transfer me honum yi. Na yamana ye more modern baby abia crab.
What you adrian about SDA school no se bambo ni ho. Eno so asem so se.
Well, eno ye idea be rank news because baby am tie de menim say your security wo baby a nti mekọ ho na ma hwe say ebia nipa na ye no kọ ho no. So ebia no na o ma wo na ma hwe mo na ya correct no. Na quickly baby akoso okay e wo ho.
All right. But ya basubodi by park bi asem. Park the way.
Yes. And no, as part of Nyema Yaya companies, no Cargill Ghana Limited. Omo park no ewa committee 1, Oninku committee 1. Na omo see a nice astroturf, IS7 aside, purposely for the schools and for the companies. In Tema is I two main astroturfs. Bako ewa just over there, no Tema Newtown. And no idea GPHA. A facilitator Musia in honor of our late chief. And I just also in Cargill Ghana Limited, Omoni Cryo Foundation, Omusi new modern astroturf, our committee 1 for the students and then the companies here in Tema. And see, I know our committee 1, very nice place, Yokohonoma, when anybody. And in Newtown, there, I did a sponsor here, winning party and fast sporting facilities.
Okay, that's because I go see.
Okay, your main issue, no.
Before main issue, I'm saying or some points you first also to do.
Me ni opinion wa say Osha no oma etiefo na hwehwe nyina hu say me ne nyina no market ya no motete yen. Okay. Me ma meton na mo no tini ma meton nam. Ti me the number na ma be hia no. Nti me pese me bisa me MC one question pese Osha building na we chi ha ya.
We
the former mayor currently only the MP for the constituency. And we see and say yenya Nkasa Bibri ebini say building is not fit. Building say building is
so for building my
this very building and me beside MC say what is he doing about that because they said
is it an abandoned building?
This actually stores.
They are
not using it because some people claim say it is not fit for use
for the year no
for the year no
okay
now initially people were in it now comfortable there okay but since I say we evacuated all of them down the SCC I say as for Dinka cry and they are still using it but shut up on one say still they are not using maybe some MC say what is he doing about that?
Okay.
If it is proper, say and yes safer, why haven't we demolished it? I feel so yes safe na say bia boapoya no bi so e ka bibia. Why won't you try as much as possible and then make sure say people are using it? That is the first one. Second one, no Ocean yen Tema Metropolitan Assembly. Yen current building you woman I say Ocean some of the departments no. I say a honum sheda enye like I say strong.
Okay.
And see the former mayor now no also started some building complex be 4-story building or assembly in chain pepe office we in fact nothing has been done about that and a honor solution on my buildings no doors until the extent say government be an assembly need to meet here anka ebe fa nipa bebre send ebe ya yebenya more of the offices. So these are my two buildings. I mean person me bisa me nua penis I can't meet my friend who phones we bisa no. But as I said a man for one me pese anu yi odi be man no ye nyina ye take note not for any political mischief ana be.
Okay, so Mayor.
But you, my main fan from second one, say, with the one in a policy, a fan from. Well, yes, what can be about office complex? Yesterday, a while ago, by the former mayor, our current MP. Now, question is, normally, so. Oba assembly we share resource we share funds now I share how urgent issues now I prioritize ujumano now currently office ensure that major problem our assembly as compared to schools, hospitals, and I was say until we share by way of priority now idea so urgent I be say small resource need you call. But still, I go so other your plan so. You hear the funds no ko nim na ya kama. E be ko ho na at the right time no na ye wie no. Na structure na we ha no. Yes, you structure integrity report be about the structure. Na wo hwa baby a eye terrible pa eye esro ho no. But wo hwa down I ko na looking at report and benya no. Better of say top ho no. I think an instance say ya evacuate top on na no. But the idea that I plan so. In fact, this year I plan so. I be bringing a bu and I sense in for. But I said when you idea that plan so I share funds on your bape. And it's that one set up on obi any. But I share from flowing stage I call that on looking at the structural report no, it's better off than extra no. And it's that one say even drop for down no, and share that in PM. But like Sanka, the whole thing no, we and Kabana and Kai Bubu no Krego. No bid no, but I did other plans so funds na bar e be hwe na it me wie no so aka.
Okay. All right. So that's a question.
Mayor Sentio refrain ye be call amanfo no e wona ye no makakodi enkomo abam say adwadefo ni bia omo occupy shops ni bi pese omo ka ba ku bi no bi ansa na yakọ ye next it that you so already near adwadefo no one made am so omo ka efa shops no ho.
Yo, kwesi adwadefo no ha mame ne omo eni nkomo mame mayor wa ha wakasa fa mo stores hu dey ansem na opese obisa no
me ba cha friend me Eunice me be say me bisa mayor say ya wo problems bebre wo market ho but ye can ye meye se si aya ni wo ka say ya wo ko top one isu oto a egu manfosu na nyama no so say up to now omo meye ye ticket ye license up to now se si a open so mo bi ko hwa ma ye se si a ya can your problem no ya solve and a secondary no because of the fence of the market ninti amu yaye and a sabi agroboni so koso wo market ho nti ya pamuchao
agoboni be koso
sex education pa condom anyway nyama boni kwa na wo market ho but because one fancy market na maye ni
ba to bo ase sex education ye ma church papa ho
ya pon no maba
the be to bo ase because who here chese ya pon e dwumadi a be di odwane mu no na amanfo so afi no mo braso no omo ba ye proper sex education very good
okay but because of the fence now one fancy market no na ye nya sa problem no na krono so drosso
okay
enti me de ma me nuanu so no watu aso
okay good
Over ne nyairadon ya egbenya wo. Over na chom yo hui. Over ne stores na ni machine inho ni ya jeme. Kai ba hiye makpa fa ya kemeyo. Ka oba ya. Wo meni wo yo shishin ba bote shop se me ni okwendo ko. Mwe ko do mo bi ona aka efa mo yi. Shi ko ya ko the other side. Ni kanyu ngone mo fe mo libi ma mo shino so ke o fe careful be no baba o libi fe fite nyungo ni ne la weekends na ni ho na in fact what the officer hyienyo ameka member nye emergency 3 days was what a mansion tin tomatoes ni manjame nyumba ni chele ne keke boss se ehwe no boss se fe fite ko ya ho to ba fe ton ho wanye me ni yo se hu na kan ewo ba pa me yo fire ke ba hie ke ya ekwa nwe ni ekwa noko fio ha wo dan ya won pa le fire wa won wie ka mususha because 8 years ago 5,000 what pay than a house shop say. You sure can 5,000 go ban nash bon contact port no ke she walk about his stores ne. Ni what tell me 2 years na ke 40 but she washing no washing. Why te hokok wa hishi out 2 years ameba. No was our back because any what they fair wa rent was our back. Ke ba shin ne aba feko effort ko ni walibia fe agbene ka nyupo ne we ne famo ewo hwe walibia no ni walibia fe mfite ewo wo ba pa fai ka ba hie wo me yo e ba ko e koni government on wo pa le fai ni e ba ko ha wo aba fe ko ha wo she to wo ya new town market wo pa fai wa
okay
Dachi, but Dachi Jawasa, Ediana, or Pamela,
now some you know can say Oshe stores now Motoma the woman 8 years ago, and our budget stores no 5,000 and send these stores name Mao. Name Mom say, who would ask to Nimuna Osha. Ensure tope a fa wo no nyina egu omonoma so enti akwakwa ese wakoko fa noma ababegum nanso oboka enti na opa mayor acho say ye pon a ombo modia na onu ankasa enwura shops no mu no hwe de ekoso going into the shop no ebia you really appreciate omu issues and echire hon so no enya de ya de pa ye ni mami enwie na afi mayor enhwe nya no madam.
Hello, good morning. Mpatwa friend me Millicent Kweno. Yeda mayor ase. Oba ye nche but obo edwuma. Sebe contractors are omuji edwuma. Omo ntumi anhwe sa neoma ina. Mayor oba ye onya 2 years. Ni second year mu no wo no. Iki say no Sebe oba ye e woni speech mu no ode atudwa say wall a ye pe no obe ya amaye obehwe market no na wa reconstruct omu si dan yi no say market for ne beka no kure a enya 2 months and almost start to develop a problem sa time no na mayor no nte ho it is a on person more addressing issues be more. Sabe we mun nka abotre mu. Nka abotre mu. Na sisi a me so me kra me personal way am person me dey to me yo enim. Yanom a ye wa champion no. Sabe yanom a ye wa champion no. Navy for ne de omo waste water. E de ato ye gata bi mu. E wo ho ye nya hwene ene de ahome nti mesra mayor ya friend mayor si ade yo obeya amaye ya da na ase
obeni ma me ni wie ma me ni wie who question bi ma mayor
me question na me wono e pe mi say honorable Oko Erin wa bisa no be mi say me concern pa the Zenith Bank. Because Zenith Bank project no Ghana scan idea. Now for past 7 years building no eroti. Na just a Ghana scan say no. Enti me pam me your to fa say on hwe na ye sika no anko waste. On fa the 9CO so that they should complete that building. I think so oko potame chief company na ewo hono no since then I see you know MBA and the people of that they are over there they need that particular project say na be at least obi nyima no opese onko antenatal obetumi akọ hono ono so MBA panu cho ye building tama we are not building a political party. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's Mpacho Adaroma. Meaning say the papa so Musaba, my mayor only feel back. Okay. Mayor, bottom top still. Quickly.
Yo, and my non fan from Potame Chips compound. Yes, we a project. A project more for this year. Na yeah estimate. There will be a no issues in the fencing. Meters. And some little innovations here and there. Yeah, estimates, no. And we plan for this year. Na in him say, by the grace of God, no. Before year baby we end there, na you put in way. And I put on so. If I just yesterday, can I maybe I'm more mo phone ras in your man one. If say APV also na no institute or na main place na Botarians no more no more mo phone ras in your man institute why but by the grace of God this weekend never started I be PV one just like here paving blocks we are now yeah shirt some moment send by institute we are bo it say you no Botarians no more mo phone ras na anyway we are the other plans so this year, by the grace of God, no. Befiana Chiefs compound, no. Na yeah. Champon Village issued. Where issue? I mean, personally, me na matia say ye. Matia say ye pe. Idea because intention idea. Ye taking it quite serious. Ewa. Ente be a crampo. Ye introduce idea friend abobo ya mo call randa omo jejeje sewages. Very soon. In fact, next week Friday, be community engagement. Na yenya service provider mo yusu aboboya also ha na a lot of slums ha no more kokko slums in the manyanti ha sewage idea number 1 before me ban on that community market every now and then na sewage no na in the whole of the market but me ban me man special touch because he surely under control na one thing na yes in fact even this week we are even arranging for one new vehicle for your sewage team. Okay. So there be 2 teams. Now you much more critical focus. So far as into ye beba because I know your main problem is from your station all the way to the police station. My here inside Ekodano. I was say sewage let me flow all the way into your treatment plant of Bankuman. But issues were into your second team now. I bet you more. No more focus on checking in back up to a Champon Village. Now you fix the issue once and for all.
All right.
I'm saying my casa already on Zenith Bank project. I'm saying I'm in the handy. And then the best alcohol numbium. But before me, you know, there be a new office complex and no assembly no come Zenith Bank no. But before me, we say markets. Baby Adom akuma so pa. Na me was special plan for the market. I say move home here, but planning the hopper very soon. All the issues of market now, no, me listening now, including even stores ha. But what to do year, also to 20 year. Now when you adequate funding. By immediate in many years they say sex education they say stop. Oh, I did it. Idea. You be focus on pa. Na ya check na to check be more security men. We go want careful sex education be produce collect.
Me you say you ma make about omoni mo kofa. Enso to a
yes.
And when we yan baby one betimi aye na mo de aso eno ano.
Excellency from how no me am go he. Okay. Because look at issues no you were 2 different places. You were back on this particular building. When you say no can. I say no can. And from her me go he no. Me sure na you what we can do in the interim. But I said the whole building na idea be cut down eventually.
Okay.
And then I say yes na yenya baby na you really could na breaking it down na yenya all together. But I bet what we can do in the interim. Yeah, be breaking down the floor. Because yes, there are structural issues with the whole structure. And I'll be even for 2 months and I didn't buy. Contractor no any that's all. We are paying a current MP on the time and I happy. Yeah, but still that was a long time ago. Who said now year mayor? It's a month for can once a week. Idea maker is about 6, 7, almost 8 years ago. Yes, and I'm going to say now year mayor. Yeah, once somebody you know near Bissau. Or China be a bugu we are for better area. Deferred liability. Okay. A deferred liability period, no. Normal, I think it's 6 months to 1 year.
Okay.
So by now that period is past. Until you want to or number because the deferred liability period. No, I don't see. I know watching Panama and I'll be a year. But normally, yes, 6 months to 1 year.
All right.
For the structure. But now that period is elapsed. But what we can do is say life's now on an idea. Important,
yeah.
Until within the plan, say we'll break it all down. Now you see fresh stores among.
And say yes, it's cow for Babesi. Now no babies I say. Dear next send the ever in this time. Yes, Sam and send in a year huni. Yasabe Boku.
Well, I'm say everywhere the way I be a coso now. Fortunate for me, you know, me engineer by profession.
Yeah.
Me electrical engineering. Before I me telecom engineering. My age must have me behind. See me on the engineering mind.
Okay.
And see I know some of these things will not happen whilst I'm here. But me see there. I can't say be happen. But and I a lot of structures. I'm sure we na anko ni ye.
Okay.
But I see pen I want to call it now going forward. No.
Okay. So the current situation, okay. For how long that you for bet me at them because now okay.
Okay. Because you remember to us what that remember to us.
Me say for now no. Make us say the major problem here with the top.
Okay.
But I'm saying there are roofing issues at the top.
Yeah.
And near what top and the leaky or no man now cut down, baby or more.
Okay.
And you know, you're first a bit why be in the meantime. Now you're stopping roofing issues, now you're affected on.
Okay.
Now I heard a big time project of breaking it down and building it all over again.
Okay.
Okay, I'm say, Yabeko break. Na yaba, mayor. Surprisingly, the American, a guy who do Ghana, so I'm sex education cost of power. I just say, you're dying hokawa. Wow. Yakwaba. Yaba, let's try.